Grace gets to
Now
put
your
them on.
turn. Look, Grace.
Are you giving Rudolph a kiss?
These are your antlers. Antlers. There you go. Yes. Yes.
You ready to decorate the tree? 5 days before Christmas?
Oh, is it my turn? You want to put them on me? Oh. There. Did it look good? Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Hey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's time for Grace to wear them. Go, go, go. Go get your books. Go, go, go. Yay.
Grace.
Grace, come here.
Oh.
They fell down. That's silly. That's silly.
Oh, you can't see. You can't see.
Now they're a necklace. Grace, you want to dance? Can you dance? Those go on your head, silly. You put it back on your head? You want to put on Mommy's head? Put on my head?